All right, guys, we've got the Dreu 3-piece wrist strengthening kit. You've got grip. You got two grip devices here. These are great for like hand, finger, or tendon recovery. So like your extensor tendons that actually make your fingers work. They come all the way up into your elbow. Got your outer elbow and your inner elbow. And the crazy thing is that's going to work for grip. That's also going to work with this tool here. So basically what we have here is this is the forearm tool. You slide your arm in like that, and you can see, you kind of just curl it. And you can see how you're flexing. And you're building tension here, and you're building strength. So if you're recovering from an injury or just want to strengthen, that's going to do it. Now, to do your forearms too, you're actually going to pull back now. So that's going to strengthen back here. So I think this device is super useful. It's something you can do at home in your house, maybe just while you're watching TV, watching some videos on YouTube, or watching my reviews on Amazon. And then you have the grip tools here. These are great to have. I mean, as someone who goes to the gym and deals with different types of tendon injuries, if you're dealing with golfer's elbow, tennis elbow, or any forearm or grip strength issues, these both are great tools just to have on hand. Here's what it looks like. And then all you're doing is just using it to grip. Now, the reason grip is so important is scientific studies have linked grip strength to mortality. The better your grip strength, the longer you will live, generally speaking. So grip is no joke. A lot of the reasons people fall apart at the end is just because they stop trying. Don't stop trying. Work on your grip.